Your Windows laptop is taking forever to restart after you've made system tweaks, and we're fixing that right now with these essential steps. That agonizingly slow restart time after system tweaks is a clear sign something's holding up your startup sequence, so let's get it running fast again. If disabling unnecessary startup programs didn't immediately solve your slow Windows laptop restart issue, the problem often lies deeper in corrupted temporary files, which brings us to method 2. This involves clearing out your temporary files and cache, which are like digital junk drawers that can slow down your system's boot process by holding on to old, unneeded data. Next, if your restart times are still lagging, outdated drivers can cause major conflicts. So we move to method 3, updating your essential drivers and Windows itself. Outdated drivers are like using an old map. When the roads have changed, they don't communicate properly with your hardware, leading to delays. Finally, if none of those steps fully resolve your Windows laptop's slow restart after system tweaks, we need to troubleshoot those specific problematic system tweaks you applied. This means carefully reviewing any recent changes you made and reverting them one by one until your laptop restarts at normal speed again, ensuring a clean and efficient boot every time.